Me again. I mean to say, welcome and be inspired with Dominic. Today we are finishing this piece, the Monolith Remotes from the TV series Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. These three are canon and used to control monoliths to do stuff. This one isn't considered canon because I invented it, but as all the things I make, it should be. I've run out of witty things to say, so let's just go right ahead. Seriously, it's not that heavy. Go ahead.
This isn't what he ended on.
No, but he needed to do that at some point.
You mean he wants to slip the boring parts in before the interesting bits?
Something like that, yes.
Or did he need to fluff this part up so it does not end up too short?
Why not both? Yeah, why not indeed?
There it is.
He found something.
So he'll make a fourth monolith remote?
Yes.
One that isn't canon?
Yes.
What a waste.
Yes.
What?
Nothing.
Is it at least cool to watch?
It would have been, yes.
Two more magnets?
Yes, because the holes for the first two were not deep enough.
Do I even want to know how you know that?
I always watch the bonus material.
Why did I even ask?
Remember when I said it would have been cool to watch?
Yeah.
Ooh, his camera is glitching again.
And in the middle of what might have been a great effect.
Why is it suddenly green? I think that's supposed to be jade. But with the camera glitching at that pivotal moment, it's probably more like jaded.
I'll admit, that was a good one, Cultist 3.
Thanks. Could it be?
Stop stalling, just tell us. It's hard enough as it is to find footage for these unending dialogues.
Okay, a fourth monolith.
And that would be the monolith of...
Waste, maybe?
Sounds good. I can go with that. Another segment in this video.
I think he might be overdoing it.
But he has to frame this thing somehow to contain the raw destructive energy.
That he does.
Looks like he recorded this after the fact to fool us into thinking he recorded the practice run.
I think it looks like he was thoughtful enough to spare us endless repetition and mistakes made to present us with the polished geometry.
Or he simply failed to record that part.
So you watch the bonus material too?
Sometimes.
And now I remember why it took so long to find these dowel thingies. I'm just not good with those.
Oh no, not again.
At least this saves us some time.
And again.
He needs a camera that does not procrastinate just like him.
True.
Finally. This took a while, and as you can see, it became summer. Also, give blood if you can. I hope you enjoyed this project. It took way longer than I imagined, especially the editing part, so I'd love to hear whether you enjoyed these videos, and if you didn't, I'd still love to know why. So, thank you for watching, and now I'm left to figure out what to do with that power. So, oh no, what's that? What's that? Oh no, no!
What a waste.
Did that portal just swallow Dominic?
I said.
I'll ignore that comment. Did it?
Looks like it.
I wonder what fear that would represent.
If I had to guess...
Do you?
This time around I do.
Okay.
If I had to guess, I'd say it was FOMO.
What?
Fear of missing out.
You mean the fear of missing out on all those magnificent dust storms and sketchy world building in the fear dimension?
Yeah, that and missing out on a cool segue to the next video.
I forgot to say, please subscribe and remember to be inspired. Until next time, if there is a next